Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to draw three beautiful candies. So just follow these steps and do it at your end as well. First draw the small circles like this, yes. Then two lines, connect it well. Okay. Then just create a small curve, yeah, like this, again circle. And then two smooth, it's a stick for these candies. Then just put some designs. So first candy will have two colors, so we have added like this. Then draw it yellow color and then a different color here again. So let's do it pink and yellow color candy. It's looking very beautiful. Then create some chalk white sort of a thing, yeah. Then draw it beautiful pink color. Yes, just follow the steps and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We upload daily one video on this particular channel for you guys. And now draw the third candy. Here you go, all three candies have a beautiful colors and it is ready. Now let's add some, just a smiley on the candies so it look more beautiful. Yes, here you go, all three candies are ready. Hope you liked all three candies and this particular drawing. Thank you for watching and do subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Bye.